This is a 2005 Cadillac Escalade, a luxurious package designed with the finest elements in mind. It has a 6.0-liter 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include heated front seats, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, high-intensity headlights, a 9-speaker audio system, aluminum wheels, and satellite radio. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, heated side view mirrors, rear audio controls, leather seats, running boards, trailer wiring, OnStar, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and cruise control. Not to mention that this Cadillac qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Jerry Damson Honda in Florence, Alabama. New Hondas, great on gas and service after the sale. Complimentary coffee, Wi-Fi, and car washes. Thank you for choosing Jerry Damson Honda.